Hitting high speed on the razor, life for lawless. 20-day knee knocker challenge till I'm flawless. Money man, what? I always stay focused and I never give up.
All right, y'all, this is day number 1 of the knee knocker challenge, right? I'm giving myself 20 days to learn how to knee knock, right? I want to be able to knee knock from my house all the way down to the corner. So this is day 1, learning how to knee knock. Yeah, now we're gonna get used to hitting the brakes while we knee knocking. Because if you mouse trap while you doing the knee knocker, you gonna die. Cause you're going straight over the handlebars. It's dangerous, bro. So what I'm doing though, when I hit my brakes, I'm leaning back so I won't go over the handlebars. So I lean back, right? That's why I got on my gear, because if I do go over the handlebars, boom, I got my gear and it's gonna save me. And I can just get back on and just keep continuing on what I'm doing. I ain't gonna be hurtful for like a week or a month. Yeah, so this is day 1 of the knee knocker. I think all I gotta do is just find a good body position on the seat, where to put my weight at, right? So I can hold it up in balance point. All right, so this is just day number 1. We got 19 more days, and we're gonna keep at it every day till we can accomplish our goal and be able to knee knock all the way down to the block, to the end of the block.